Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about building a high converting dropshipping store on Shopify. All the other videos and courses out there tell you to just go and make a store. However, I'm going to give you my tools and resources I leverage to create a professional and credible store. By the end of this video, you'll be able to increase your store's conversion rates by 5 times if you follow each of these steps. So if you want to be successful with dropshipping and avoid beginner mistakes, watch till the end of this video. So to start off, here are the tools we'll be using to build a converting store. Number 1, Canva. This is going to be for all of your professional logo designs. Number 2, Pexels. This is going to be for all of your professional videos and photos for your store. Number 3, remove background BG. This is going to help you remove backgrounds on any product images that you want to list on your store. Number 4, Fiverr and Upwork. This is where you'll be able to outsource for UGC content. Number 5, Chat-GPT. You're going to use this program for all of your product descriptions. Number 6, CapCut. You'll be able to edit photos, videos, and place your logos on all of your graphics. So now that we have our list of tools, I'm going to further break down how to use these to their max capability to help you build the best store. So to start with Canva, you're obviously going to need a logo for your store if you want it to be more credible and have its own trademark. You don't want to have text for a logo because then it's going to appear as fishy. Some tricks you could use to make your logo a little bit more credible is add a location. For example, you have a clothing brand named Leslie Fashion, let's say, and then you add San Diego, California under that. That adds some sense of curiosity. Now, Canva is a great tool because you can find pre-made templates that already have logos created for almost every niche. Additionally, there are a ton of graphics that Canva provides you so you can create even more professional logos. Let's talk Pexels. Pexels, I think, is the most important resource on this list. Many people resort to free images from Shopify or Google, and they're just low quality and generic. Pexels offers free images and videos that are professional. Now, I would say the only catch is if you have a unique niche like I did, which was tactical equipment, you might not be able to find a lot of graphics for them. This will be a common issue, again, if your niche is a little bit more unique. But another great thing to consider is that a lot of these photos are consistent because you have access to the photographer themselves. Now we have remove background BG. I use this a lot for my products because I want it to look like my store created and manufactured the product. It's also good for cleaning up any messed up logos or images you don't approve of. Fiverr is a great way to hire content creators to make testimonials or act as a spokesperson on behalf of your store. Again, this establishes credibility and it's cost effective. I found a spokesperson for $30. So if you really want to reinforce your store and make it look as good as possible, this is a great step to take. Chat-GPT, this should be a given, but when creating a mission statement or product description, you're gonna want to use Chat-GPT. Chat-GPT is gonna help you avoid mistakes quickly. You'll be able to write super long descriptions for anything you need. However, I will advise that you will need to monitor Chat-GPT because even though it is a great tool, sometimes it's gonna miss what you truly want. With that being said, you'll simply just have to step in and switch a few things around. So the last tool I use is CapCut. I like to add background videos or videos in general to make my store more appealing and lively. CapCut allows me to easily cut and put videos from Pexels so I can create fluid graphics that go well with my site. So these are all the tools I use on Shopify. Now, if you want to see how I use these tools to their max potential, go ahead and check out my free dropshipping course on operationentrepreneur.co. I'll leave a link in the description, but if you enjoyed the video, you learned something, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.